stress na kami.
Focus mo na lang to. Pati ito.
It's not working.
It's not working. It's not working.
Anong masasabi mo, Trisha?
Artists, we are disappointed by the instructions.
Si Trisha yung unang nag-give up.
Pero na ako biglang Trisha Picasso. I'm now just Trisha because of that fucking thing. Even my stroke got affected.
It's not working.
mo,
It's
8
not
years
as
old daw.
easy. This
8
is
years
not for
old.
8 years old.
It's not for 8 years old.
Not giving.
And it's not even us.
It's
We're
not
very
us.
artistic people here.
I don't think it's us.
It's not us. Definitely not us.
I think, te, kasi ang dami ring ang dami ring, what do you call that? Yung mga magmawa ang table mat dyan.
Wala na, di ko na nakuha. Sige.
Character ko yun.
Let's go.
So guys, ano ba? Ano ba
Sige,
vlog
sige,
ako
go,
eh?
go, vlog. Ah, sige, go, go.
Guys, now we're going to the Kinsili. Come on, come on.
Come on. May pa blue light. Oh, ay.
Dapat binuksan natin.
Oo nga, oo nga.
Ulit.
Ano ba yan?
Dapat nandito ka. Ulit.
Kasi may dumadaan.
Go.
Ay! Nag-video din.
Matanggal lang sa
Matanggal ang ano.
Kaya pala.
Tapos yung sabi ko, hindi ko naman kailangan na matanggal yung ano.
I-wait ko na.
Alam ko, select maano sa grabe. Kapoy guys. Kapoy analyze.
Yeah. Nandito na naman.
Hi, DS Vlogs. So we're now here in
Hidden Garden Resort.
Yeah. We're heading down to the garden, pool by the garden. There you go. I can see.
guys.
Oo nga. Ako din.
Socials ko din. Ako
Socials over here.
Hindi na kayo kasi maganda sa team. Sige.
Kain. Kain lang siya.
Yan ang halo.
Ganun talaga yan siya.
At least I tried. There was an attempt. It was just not